भारत का दिल, मध्य प्रदेश की राजधानी, झीलों का शहर भोपाल में आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत है।
This entire project of Swamshri has been, as I mentioned, going on for 2022. It's essentially aiming at promoting women entrepreneurship through value chain development process through multiple livelihood options, and ultimately the goal objective of SRLM, of this entire movement, has been that each of the member who is a part of the SHG movement, who is also a kind of a beneficiary. I think around 4 lakh women is what Swamshri is working with.
Friends, the story of Swamshri is not just about livelihoods and institutional strengthening. It is about the dignity, agency and transformation of Didis. It is about strengthening Didis with opportunities sustainable and scalable that lead the way in shaping rural economies and communities. We hope the Swamshri program partnership, Convergence has begun in Madhya Pradesh, grows into a movement that inspires the nation.
Women should be seen in every aspect, whether it is in the Gram Panchayat or it is in negotiating on pricing in for their produce, or it is in leadership. I think it's really exciting to see the progress that we are making through the Swayamshri program, because in so many ways it builds on the work that has been done for many years by the government in laying a strong foundation of collectives.
स्वयंश्री रिलायंस फाउंडेशन से जुड़ने के बाद हम लोग 3000 महिलाओं के साथ काम कर रहे हैं। उस कंपनी में हम लोग इनपुट, आउटपुट और प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट का काम करते हैं। प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट में हम लोग मस्टर्ड ऑयल, ग्राउंडनट सीड, काऊ घी और अरहर दाल, तो इन पे काम कर रहे हैं। इसमें हम लोगों ने पिछली बार 2024-25 में हम लोगों ने 1 करोड़ 9 लाख रुपए का बिजनेस किया था पूरा।
तो हमें देखने की जरूरत ये है इस पूरे कार्यक्रम में कि जो इंटरप्राइजेज हमारे किस लेवल पे है, क्या वो बिल्कुल ही स्टार्टअप इंटरप्राइजेज हैं या फिर वो इंटरप्राइजेज थोड़े ग्रो कर गए हैं, कुछ उन्होंने स्केल स्थापित कर लिया है और थोड़ी उनको और ज्यादा बिजनेस सर्विसेज, अपने एक्टिविटीज को और ज्यादा प्लान करने के लिए जरूरत है, या फिर हमें वो हाई ग्रोथ पोटेंशियल इंटरप्राइजेज हैं, एक तो टेक ऑफ की स्टेज पे आ गए हैं और उनको और ज्यादा सपोर्ट की जरूरत है।
I think what has been most unique about Swayamshri is the partnership model. It has brought together partners from across different perspectives. We have Reliance Foundation and the Gates Foundation as philanthropic partners, working together closely with the SRLMs. And also with expert field implementation partners who have rich experience on the ground, and most importantly of all, working together with the women entrepreneurs, the SHGs, the FPOs on the ground. So bringing together all of these different partners, sharing their best practices, sharing their learnings, we've been able to co-create together strong new models for how we can strengthen women's livelihoods.
In MP, Swayamshri has shown very good result in farm, off-farm and non-farm based activity. It's happened just because implementing the end-to-end approach. However, going forward, we have to focus on the non-farm and farm-based activity where poultry and goatry has shown very good result. Our focus and approach has to be developing the PPP-based model where public and private partnership model has to be demonstrated.
3 years back when we started designing this program, our objective was very clear. We wanted to do something that is sustainable and that is scalable. And therefore, we didn't want to go in isolation. The way the program was designed, from the beginning, we have been working very closely with the government, working within the system, with the system to ensure that whatever models are implemented, they are taken forward and they are sustainable. It is about giving a voice to the women, working on women's agency.
I would say, in such a short time period, whatever the Swayamshri has achieved, I think this is fascinating. This is the first time when world's largest philanthropic organization and India's largest philanthropic organization have come together to work on the agenda of women entrepreneurship and women's economic empowerment. And in such a short time period, whatever has been achieved in these 3 states, I think that has been a remarkable journey.
टेकअवेज हमारे ये रहेंगे कि ये जो माइक्रो वैल्यू चेन्स डेवलप की गई हैं, जिसमें अभी कुछ थाउजेंड्स हमारे हाउस होल्ड्स अगर इन्वॉल्व हैं, तो इसको उस ज़िले के पोटेंशियल के हिसाब से हम रेप्लिकेट कर सकें और मैक्रो वैल्यू चेन में हम डेवलप कर सकें।
स्वयंश्री कार्यक्रम में बेसिकली फोकस किया गया है कि किस तरह से महिलाओं को मल्टीपल लाइवलीहुड एक्टिविटी में जोड़ा जाए। पहला तो एग्रीकल्चर में कैसे वो सिर्फ खेती की एक लेबर की तरह नहीं बल्कि एक एंटरप्रेन्योर की तरह पहचाना जाए और वो विभिन्न तरह की गतिविधि करे जिसमें वैल्यू चेन एक प्रमुख साधन है। तो वैल्यू चेन से संबंधित बहुत सारी गतिविधि करने से महिलाओं का रुचि भी बढ़ा है और साथ में उनकी आय में भी वृद्धि हुई है।
In just 2 years, we have been able to engage 9.6 lakh women and 35,000 community collectives. We are very closely working with them. With our help, they have been able to market their produce worth rupees 350 crores. Most importantly, women are gaining confidence, decision-making power and leadership in their families and within the community.
अभी हम जो देख रहे हैं क्लाइमेट शॉक, सेवेरिटी ऑफ नेचर के कारण एग्रीकल्चर में काफ़ी डाइवर्सिफिकेशन हो रहा है। तो मुझे लगता है कि आने वाले 10 सालों में हम बैलेंस की जगह मिक्स पोर्टफोलियो देखेंगे, जिसमें ऑन फार्म भी रहेगा, ऑफ फार्म भी रहेगा और नॉन फार्म भी इसमें रहेगा।
Transition from subsistence farming to market-oriented farming requires a supportive ecosystem. The most important, though, is change of mindset and gaining confidence. This comes from understanding market demand, which is backed with predictable production system that generates surplus and which also meets quality parameters.
The value chain is the most important thing. We need to work on both input as well as output, because the major problem in increasing the surplus production within the community, within the producers, is that they lack good quality, high quality inputs.
मेरे गांव में सबसे पहली महिला मैं हूँ जो गांव से बाहर निकली और स्कूटी चलाती हूँ और अन्य दीदियों को ट्रेनिंग देती हूँ और मैं भी सीखती हूँ और सिखाती हूँ।